बात करते हैं. Let's start with air. First stage, air comes in over here, inside the first chamber, gets compressed, goes into the intercooler over here. This is my intercooler. From here, intercooler goes into the first stage. From first stage, it goes into the second stage over here, guys. सब अंदर ही अंदर हो रहा है, outside, inside happening, only inside. It gets into the second stage, gets compressed, goes into the after cooler. This is the after cooler over here, guys. Goes into the after cooler, and from after cooler to the second stage oil separator, and then it comes out. ये हमारा air outlet है. Okay. These are the temperature gauges fitted on the water side of the intercooler and aftercooler. These are the 7 bar and 32 bar safety valves fitted over here. भैया in case if air side का pressure बढ़ रहा है, then in that case these are going to lift. This will lift if this valve is shut, right? Or if compressor is also running till the time 32 bar pressure is developed over here, right? So this will lift. This will lift at 7 bar pressure. When if this second stage section valve is leaking, so air from this will return back and increase the pressure over here in the first stage up to 7 bar. Copy guys? This is my first stage pressure gauge fitted. Goes up to 4 to 4.5 bar over here. This is my second stage pressure gauge fitted. इसका pressure depend करता है कि air bottle over here.
To every marine engineer out there, from junior engineer to chief engineer and electrical officer, we all know that earning respect on ship is very important. We all know fast promotions are very important, and we all know that इज्जत कमानी है, promotion चाहिए तो काम आना चाहिए, तो जूते पड़ते हैं, गालियां पड़ती हैं, and for that you need a good mentor. Sometimes we keep finding those mentors on board ship, अगर नहीं मिल रहे तो MND Flix है ना, Merchant Navy Decoded has launched a subscription model where you can find more than 30 plus courses with respect to your rank, helping you earn respect on ship. Please enroll on these free trial videos, watch these videos as per rank, and then decide whether you want to invest or not with a very good flexible payment plan as well. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.
What is the air bottle pressure where it is given? See, right now the air bottle pressure is 24 bar. So if I start the main air compressor now, the discharge pressure will be around 26 bar. But if this air pressure bottle is pressure is 5 bar, then discharge pressure will be 7 bar or 8 bar or maximum 10 bar. Understanding? Second stage pressure depends upon the air bottle pressure की आगे restriction कितना है, कम air guys. This is the cooling water side. Coming over here, cooling the complete jacket, intercooler, aftercooler, second stage jacket, and then going out from over here. That is the temperature gauge fitted, right? Copy guys. Now, let me talk about, guys, this is a safety valve fitted 7 bar for the cooling water jacket. So if any of your tubes are leaking over here inside, pinhole हो गया है, and if second stage pressure builds up, और वो pinhole के through air will go into the jacket side, increase the pressure to 7 bar and this will lift. So we know कि किसी intercooler aftercooler की jacket के अंदर hole हो गया है, right guys? Now, apart from that guys, let us talk about the oil separator. This oil separator, this is first stage, this is second stage. These are the solenoid valves fitted over here. See, these are electrically controlled. So जब initially when your compressor starts, for the first 10 seconds, this keeps the valve in open condition. And if you start, you will see air coming from over here. And immediately after 15 seconds, this solenoid valve shuts. This solenoid valve shuts, and the air stops. And that is the time when the pressure develops over here, guys. Understood? I'll show you that as well. Just wait. Other thing is, this initially it is working as an unloader, and later, after every 10 minutes of operation, it will be working for 5 seconds. It will be opening this. That is where it is draining if there is any oil or air inside over inside the oil separator. Drain that as well. Now, guys, this is air side. This is my fusible plug fitted over there. Can you see this, guys? This is my fusible plug. Guys, this is my fusible plug fitted over here. This bursts at 120 degrees centigrade temperature. This is my air temperature switch fitted. This stops the compressor, trips the compressor at 75 degrees centigrade temperature of discharging air going over here. Copy guys? Now see, when my motor starts turning, inside my compressor piston starts moving. This is where my crankshaft is fitted inside. Crankshaft अंदर लगी हुई है. With this crankshaft is my lube oil pump attached over here. This is the lube oil pump, guys. ये lube oil pump लगा हुआ है. Okay? From this lube oil pump, this lube oil develops pressure lube oil pump. This lube oil pump line is being sent to the pressure over here. कि भैया let me tell you how much is the lube oil pump pressure, right? Other it is sending to the pressure switch over here. So if this lube oil pump is developing less pressure, it will give a signal. So guys, this pressure switch fitted, it is set at 1 bar. So if lube oil pump pressure develops less than 1 bar for 5 seconds continuously, because when you start the compressor, immediately the lube oil pump pressure does not build up. For 5 seconds, if the pressure is less than 5 seconds, then this pressure switch is going to trip the compressor. It will give a signal saying, "Bhaiya, pressure is not developing. Your equipment can get damaged. Main bearing will not have lubrication. Stop the compressor." It stops the compressor. Got it, guys? Another thing. This is where we can see the crankcase oil over here. Right, guys? Yes or no? Yes. Now, apart from this, guys, this is the mist line connected. This is for the lubrication of the first stage valves. Okay guys, now I am going to start the compressor. Now when we start the compressor, you will see that initially the compressor is running, but this pressure is not increasing. Initially the pressure is very less. Then after 5-10 seconds, you will see this pressure increasing. So initially when the pressure is not increasing, compressor is running, that means these unloader valves are open, air is going out. And once this starts developing pressure, that means now your compressor unloader valves are shut and now it is building pressure. You will see happening. So let me show you.
Guys, the compressor is gonna get started. Compressor is about to get started.
Second check pressure is 24 bar. As the air bottle pressure starts increasing, it will start increasing. Stop it, guys. Now I will stop the compressor. Okay guys, I am going to start the compressor over here and you are going to see the amperage. So initially you will see when I start the compressor, amperage will go like this, full up. That is, during the starting, motor is drawing a lot of current. Then it immediately comes down. This is the time when motor has started, but your unloader is in open condition, right? And then slowly again, once the unloader shuts and compressor is running loaded set, it will come back again. So let us see. Unloader open, unloader, and unloader is closed now. Right guys? So over here it is happening for 5 seconds. Got it, guys? So this is how my compressor is working.